Apple is just days away from announcing the brand new iPhone 17 lineup. And today, we're going deep into the crown jewel, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Over the past few months, leaks and insider reports have given us a crystal clear picture of what Apple's most powerful iPhone yet is bringing to the table. And trust me, there are some game-changing upgrades this year. So grab a coffee, because in this video we're covering everything. The display, the cameras, the performance, the battery, the design, release date, and yes, the price. And along the way, I'll also share some details you might have missed. But let's kick things off with the first thing you'll notice, the display. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will feature a 6.9-inch OLED ProMotion display, the same massive size as last year's model. But don't let that fool you into thinking nothing has changed. This year, Apple is introducing an anti-reflective coating. Think of it like the nano-texture glass we've seen on the MacBook Pro and iPad Pro. What does this mean? Simply put, outdoor visibility will be miles better. We're also expecting a slight boost in brightness, making HDR video look even more incredible. And of course, you'll still get Apple's buttery smooth 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate. So the core panel tech remains familiar, but usability in real-world conditions just got a whole lot better. And speaking of real-world improvements, wait until you see what Apple is doing with the cameras. That's where the real magic begins. Because this is easily the biggest leap forward for the iPhone. On the back, you're getting three 48-megapixel sensors, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, plus LiDAR support. But the big headline is the telephoto lens. This year, it's jumping to an incredible 8 times optical zoom. That's the highest zoom Apple has ever offered. Combine that with digital zoom up to 50 times, and Apple is finally going toe-to-toe with Samsung's Ultra models. Video also gets a serious upgrade. For the first time, iPhones will support 8K recording across all 3 lenses. Whether it's 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second, we'll have to wait and see, but either way, that's a major leap for creators. The front camera is also finally being updated after years of staying the same. It's moving to 24 megapixels, which means sharper selfies, better FaceTime calls, and higher quality vlogging straight from the front lens. But that's not all. Apple is adding some pro-level video features. 4K at up to 120 frames per second for buttery smooth slow motion, Dolby Vision and spatial video recording, a brand new dual recording mode, letting you film with the front and rear cameras at the same time, and upgraded stabilization, perfect for handheld shooting. So yes, this is shaping up to be Apple's most powerful camera system ever. But here's the thing. None of this would be possible without what's inside powering it all, the brand new A19 Pro chip. This chip is built on TSMC's refined 3-nanometer process, making it not only faster, but also more efficient. We're talking about a 25% performance jump across CPU, GPU, and Apple's neural engine. That's going to make everything from gaming to AI features smoother and more responsive. And for the first time ever, Apple is pairing this with 12 gigabytes of RAM. That extra memory means faster multitasking and better support for Apple's upcoming AI-powered Apple Intelligence features. Storage still maxes out at 1 terabyte, so no 2 terabyte option just yet. But with this kind of power under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just a phone anymore. It's a mobile workstation. Of course, all this power needs to last all day. And this year, Apple is finally tackling battery life. This is the year iPhone fans have been waiting for. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to ship with a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, the biggest ever in an iPhone. Combine that with the efficiency of the A19 Pro, and this could be Apple's best battery performer yet. Charging also gets smarter. Wireless charging will now support Qi 2.2 at up to 25 watts. Third-party chargers and power banks will finally deliver real fast charging speeds, not just MagSafe. USB-C remains at USB 3.2 with up to 30-watt fast charging, though some insiders suggest Apple could push this to 45 watt. Apple still promises 50% charge in 30 minutes, but with the bigger battery, that's going to mean more usable power in the same amount of time. But here's the catch. Bigger batteries generate more heat, which is why Apple is making another big change this year. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will feature a brand new vapor chamber cooling system. This isn't just marketing fluff. It means the phone will be able to handle extended gaming sessions, 8K recording, and AI workloads without throttling. Apple is even rumored to be relocating antennas and internal components to manage heat better. Let's talk about the outside. The actual design and build of this new iPhone. Here's a surprising twist. After moving to titanium last year, Apple is reportedly going back to aluminum for the iPhone. Why? Likely because it's lighter, cheaper, and dissipates heat more effectively. The back might also feature a new glass-metal hybrid finish, though that hasn't been fully confirmed yet. Aside from a larger camera bump, the design is sticking close to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. But we are getting two exciting new colors, a sleek dark blue and a bold orange, alongside the classic black, silver, and gray. So the design may not be a complete overhaul, but connectivity definitely is, and Apple is quietly slipping in a big upgrade there. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to debut Apple's upgraded C1 modem chip. This custom silicon will handle 5G, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth more efficiently than ever. Face ID, NFC, and the U2 ultra-wideband chip are all sticking around, ensuring your phone integrates seamlessly with AirTags, Vision Pro, and the rest of Apple's ecosystem. But now, let's get to the part everyone's been waiting for. When can you buy it, and how much will it cost? Apple's official launch event is happening on September 9th at 10 a.m. Pacific Time. Pre-orders for the iPhone 17 lineup open on September 12th, and the phones will officially hit shelves on September 19th. As for price, there's a small bump. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will start at $1,249, which is $50 more than last year's starting price. The base model comes with 256 gigabytes of storage. So yes, it's a little pricier, but you're getting a lot more tech packed into the device. And that's everything we know about the iPhone 17 Pro Max so far. So, what do you think? Is this the iPhone upgrade you've been waiting for? Or are you holding out for something even bigger next year? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.